Hello and welcome to Varsha IRL. Spend a day with me in Bombay because we are going to CMPL. Hello and good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm currently going to the airport because I'm going to Bombay for the CMPL. It is one of those conventions where you find good manufacturers, suppliers, packaging vendors, and it is probably the best place to start if you want to start a beauty brand or something in cosmetics. So we're on the road. I'm going alone today, so no Nikunj. And I really want to come back with a lot of information because it is extremely hard to find manufacturers in India. So let's see. अभी तो मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है. However, hopefully it's fun. Okay, we're at the airport. Hello and good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm currently going to the airport because I'm going to Bombay for the CMPL. It is one of those subwaiters. I checked our gate and it was 37, बहुत पास में है, so I'm going to go get coffee now because I'm hungry. So we finally landed in Bombay. I have landed in Bombay. Now I'm going to Jio Convention Center क्योंकि वहीं पर है CMPL. It's about a half an hour ride. चश्मे हैं but चश्मे पहने नहीं है. And I think हमारा पूरा आज का दिन वहीं जाएगा. We'll be spending the entire day today there because जितना भी time आप spend करो in a convention, it is always less. You cannot possibly meet everyone, but the main objective for today is that I need to gather as many contacts as possible, meet as many manufacturers as possible, suppliers. If I'm able to gather information about sampling, like people who do sample pouches, जैसे मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ, before I go to China, good so that I can compare prices. Then I need some raw material suppliers as well, and I want their brochures. I think that's about it. I'm also meeting some friends, so that's interesting. And at this point in time, this is my third time coming to CMPL. Now the good thing is, the different thing is, I am no longer looking for manufacturers that do 500 MOQ. I am now looking at manufacturers that do 1000, 2000, 3000, and I'm okay with that because that is just how the brand has grown. And I was just thinking about it on the plane and it felt surreal. Like I would go to a manufacturer and they'd be like 1000, 2000, 3000, and it would feel out of reach. It would instantly feel I cannot do this. But now it does not feel that way anymore. And that's a win. I love this part where you can just get ready in under a minute and you don't need anything else. Like, I don't know about others, but this is a game changer for me. Having my coffee and then we'll have breakfast and then we'll leave for the convention. मुझे निकुंज से क्या बोलते हैं अल्टीमेटम मिला था कि खाओ वरना मुझसे बात मत करना. Dedicated section. It's fun. It is so fun. Look who's here. So this is Millie. She's the founder of Atypical, the best sunscreen on the market. Marketing always. And we're together at CMPL. Fun सा आ रहा है, बोर भी हो रहे हैं.
If you are building a brand, a beauty brand, and you miss out on this event, then you're missing out on something very big.
Everything, yes.
So it's still there for tomorrow, I think.
Yes,
so
yes.
If you see this while it's
I don't
still there.
think so. But do come here if you're building a
Next
brand.
year, it comes every year.
Yeah,
Twice
and
a year
also
maybe.
in December. Yes.
Twice a year.
Actually है. But I feel like it would pill.
No.
सप्लाई के वहाँ पर हो सकता है
कुछ apply नहीं करा है.
It might peel under makeup, no?
It will. 100% it will.
बिकॉज इसमें सिलिकॉन नहीं है, सिलिकॉन फ्री है.
Actually, silicons will prevent it from
Yeah.
peeling. Silicons इसीलिए डालते हैं because it creates a film.
हमने इसमें नहीं डाला.
हाँ, so
आपको
वही
मतलब
वही
that
ना
is
कि
fine
आप
pill ना?
जिसमें the formulation itself is good,
Very
the
nice.
cooling
Exactly.
ब्रांड इज इट?
for
व्हाट ब्रांड इज
नायका तो लॉन्च कर ही रहा है बट वी आर CEOs ऑफ मेकिंग पीपल गेट इरिटेटेड बिकॉज वो कह रही है पिल नहीं होएगा, मैं कह रही हूँ पिल होएगा पिल होएगा.
वो कह रही है सिलिकॉन्स नहीं है इसलिए नहीं होगा. हमने बोला है इसीलिए.
पे सिलिकॉन होता तो पिल नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
भाई ऐसी की तैसी
मैं
करने में तो हम
सोच
माहिर हैं.
मिल गया. नीचे कैसे जाएगा?
बटन से
Like catch?
प्रेस द बटन ना. हाँ कैच.
These are made to.
So we're finally done with CMPL. Millie, how was the experience?
It was good, but kind of underwhelming. But
Hmm.
mainly because we have been visiting for some years now, so
Yeah.
we kind of know what to expect. But if you are new to this industry, then this is definitely something that you should come to.
यहीं से I got my current manufacturer. So did Millie. So I think this is very good for people starting out and also good for people in the industry already क्योंकि you get to meet.
You get to network a lot, so
Exactly.
that's also important.
Exactly. So now we're headed to eat something और यहाँ पे restaurant है Sinonas which we both don't like and are not gonna eat at.
If
So
Sinonas is watching this, hear it. Hear
food
it.
बहुत बेकार है आपका. So let's go have some food. So we just saw this one नक्काशी करा हुआ marble का product and it was 20,000.
And we thought obviously that it's expensive,
Yeah.
but then founder mindset kicked in because we
Yeah.
thought if we are charging 2,000 rupees for our products that we have worked so hard on, then this person is allowed to do that because he's doing it by hand.
Literally by hand.
And it takes so much time. So that
Yeah.
money is for that time and the hard work that.
And the skill set that he has acquired over the
Exactly,
years
exactly.
and which is literally उन्होंने इतने साल लगा के वो सीखा है तब वो आज बना पा रहे हैं और उसको बेच पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So take into account inflation, take into account everything else. This is a very justified price. So we've almost come to the end of the trip. It's 5:30 and soon it'll be time for me to leave to the airport. And it was productive. We met new people with a new perspective. And it was overall it was fun. Very fun. And I enjoyed meeting Millie and I met 2-3 more of my friends. So all in all I would say it was pretty good as a trip. बाकी अब अभी मतलब बाकी है. I'll vlog more like when I go back home. But for now I'm going back home. I hope I don't have an anxiety attack in the plane. I miss Tofu. This guy, my sweet, sweet husband, thinks that I don't know that he's here to take me or get me from the airport. But I know because A, he cannot hide it, and B, Sunil is extremely dumb. And he is time and again said, हम आ गए हैं, हम बाहर खड़े हुए हैं. No one is that dumb. So, but we're gonna pretend that I didn't know, but I'm gonna record it. Yeah, so like I said, he thinks that I don't know, but of course I know. ये तो सुनील पे भी बहुत गुस्सा आ रहे हैं पागल. मतलब can't you just keep a secret? But anyway, My sweet, sweet child thought that I didn't know. I forgot to record an outro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Like, subscribe, share the video. Tell me in the comments if you are building a beauty brand and if you need any help doing that. I'm always here to help you out. Check out my Instagram because I do make videos where you get to learn a lot, or if you just like good content. See you in the next one.